Hi, everybody. Charles Cannon, Certified Financial Planner here, and welcome to the Lifetime Income for You channel. Today, we're talking about legal documents. Folks, there are four must-haves that everybody needs in retirement. Number one, you need to have a durable financial power of attorney. That is someone who takes care of your finances if you're no longer able to do so. Secondly, a durable healthcare power of attorney, someone to make those medical decisions. Third, an advanced directives document. Now, this is the end of life. Under what circumstance do they allow the plug to be pulled or not? It's tough on your family if you don't have this in place. Okay, so our first three documents: financial power of attorney, healthcare power of attorney, advanced directives documents. We recently saw in the news in February, Jay Leno from The Tonight Show had to go to court to be appointed conservator for his wife because she is no longer able to make her own decisions, folks. Can you believe that someone he probably made $1 billion over the last 30 years just from The Tonight Show. And he didn't have one legal representative who ever mentioned to him, hey, Jay, we've got to do some basic planning. And the first thing you should do is have a durable power of attorney for each other. The other thing I want to mention here is if you are a blended family, which means it's a second or third or fourth marriage, a blended family, most times or often anyway, with blended family, it may be the current spouse making the decisions. It may be a child from a previous marriage. You've really got to work to get your wishes known by both sides. In fact, I work with someone who's going through this issue right now, and it was never contemplated that the current spouse would become incapacitated. And so the will provides for things for the second spouse based on death, but while incapacitated, now the kids are getting in there and they're trying to pull things onto their side of the line and cut the current spouse out, even though that was not the wish of their father. So really spell things out. At Cannon Financial Group, we like to have a group call or a group Zoom. We can do a Zoom with people from all over the country if they are part of your family, where everybody understands what the plan is. Now remember, we are not a legal firm. We do not draft these documents, but we can introduce you to an attorney in your area if you want, and we can introduce you to a software platform that allows you to do it for yourself at a much lower cost. That all brings us to the fourth document. And what is that fourth document? That is the document that they need the day after you pass away and everybody's saying, what happens next? And there are two documents here and you've got to make a decision. Well, first there's three. The first decision, if you do nothing, the state where you live has a plan for you. Secondly, you could have a will. In either of those cases, either the state will decide or your will to decide who gets your belongings after probate. That is a court case where everything passes through the courts. And here's the deal about it. It is a public court case. Anybody and everybody can go down to the courthouse and look up everything you own if all of your estate passes through probate. For me, I don't feel like that's a very good idea. And so the other choice is a revocable living trust. That is something that does cost more, especially if you go to an attorney. Like I said, we can refer you to a software company that has a step-by-step walk you through its system, and you're going to get the same documents you would get from an attorney. In fact, these documents are written by attorneys. If you go to an attorney firm, they're likely using the same software. Nobody writes trusts anymore. They simply use the same system as what you can go to directly. So I want you to reach out, because if you could get a revocable living trust on your day of death, your successor trustee just takes over, and nobody publicly knows anything that's owned by that trust. You're still going to have what's called a pour over will, but it will take the odds and ends and leftover things that you didn't put it into the trust, go through probate, and then get them to the trust that way. So 4 things you should have: revocable living trust, an advanced directives document, a durable financial power of attorney, and a durable healthcare power of attorney. Those 2 durable attorneys can be the same document with different paragraphs spelling out each. Lots of families, it's more appropriate for those to be separate, so that you might name different children in charge of each part. Reach out to us and don't wait. Do it today, because tomorrow never comes, folks. If you wait until tomorrow, it will just be today again. If you wait until tomorrow, it will be today again. My kids hate that phrase, but it is so true. So let's get to it, folks. 4 documents. Call or email Cannon Financial Group. We can help you begin today, folks. This is Charles Cannon, Certified Financial Planner. Have a great day, and let's hear from you soon. Bye now.